Hey y'all, Gavin here. We're back with another episode of Not Your Mama's Cooking, brought to you by the Gordo Vaquero. Check the links in the description below to get yourself a bottle today. Alrighty, so in today's video we're making tequila lime chicken tacos. So here I'm chopping up an onion and we're going to throw it in a bowl with some limes that I already juiced. There's 3 limes that I juiced. And then we're going to set that off to the side to get our tequila ready to be mixed in to the lime juice.
Now it's time to add the tequila. We're going to go ahead and add 3 shots worth of Cabo Wabo tequila to this mixture. Got 1, 2, 3, and let's see what's left.
And a half shot for Gavin. Yeah. Now we're going to take a bushel of cilantro. We're going to chop it up really fine because pretty much everything we're making today calls for cilantro. So we're going to take care of all of it now. Alright, so we're going to take our bowl of limes and white onion, take our pack of chicken that we got over here, we're going to bust her open, get it marinated in this good deliciousness. Take 1, spread her open, make sure all the flaps are done.
2, voila, 3, 4. There's the still lips, looks a bit frozen in the center. They haven't properly deep all the way. And big boy number 5 here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and
Toss this together, get a good mix. The onions and the chicken, everything mixed up well. Voila, like so. Clean the hands. I'm gonna take our garlic. I do cheat by getting already minced garlic and this big boy right here, you know. Because I'm lazy, I don't like to always chop up garlic like I did that cilantro. And I'm gonna take a heaping tablespoon. Well, this is a heaping teaspoon, so it's about a tablespoon, and throw that in on top. Alright. Give it another good mix.
we'll just use one hand. We're going to keep one hand free. It's semi-clean. Get that garlic in there. Make sure these limes are good and juiced.
I'm gonna take our tequila lime mixture and pour it right over the top. Oh yes. That way everything is about covered. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna dump about a 1/4 cup of olive oil over the top, 1/4 to a 1/2 cup, just to give it some fat. That way whenever I throw it on the grill, it doesn't stick to the grates. I forgot the most important part, cilantro. So I'm gonna set these limes
out of here to the side so they're not in the way whenever I try to remix this. Shame on me.
Take a handful of cilantro. This is about a 1/4 cup of cilantro. We're gonna throw it in. It's all very finely chopped, and we're gonna give it a good proper mix now. Get the cilantro in there, because this is one of the most important parts of the mix.
Alright, so we're gonna take that sliced white onion that I had, throw that in a bowl. We're making the taco slaw now. We take a bag of cabbage, throw that on top with the onion. Mix it together good. Take a nice pinch of cilantro, throw that in. Mix everything real good. Big old heaping scoop of garlic, throw that in there. Alright, we'll set this aside, and this is for our tacos.
Here's this pistole here that my mom got me for Christmas. I'm making a nice batch of guacamole. Alright, so I'm gonna take these red onions I diced up earlier, throw about a 1/4 to a 1/3 of a cup in there. About a 1/4 of a cup. Take 1 small diced Roma tomato, throw that in on top. Here's a sliced jalapeno with half the seeds and membrane. I'm going to go ahead and throw about half of that in there. Leave the other half out. And we're gonna use these 2 avocados right here. And we're gonna finish with some cilantro. Also, we need to add about a teaspoon of garlic, give or take a little bit. I love me my garlic. Now you can see why I use the big thing and I don't chop it myself. All right, so we're gonna take our 1 avocado. We're gonna go ahead and cut her open. Just run it along the knife, twist her off, hit that, get the seed out. Do the other one real quick. Oh, I'm slipping out my finger. Same thing. Oh, remove the seed. Take our spoon. Put the guts in the bowl. The pistole. I'm gonna go ahead and break it up a little bit with my spoon so it's easier to deal with whenever I get in there. And you don't need a pistole for this. You can just use a bowl and a potato masher. Voila. Now before I start mashing, I am going to go ahead and add some cilantro, about 2 teaspoons right on top there. And then I'm going to take Gordo Vaquero's Exxxtra Caliente. Order yours today at thegordovaquero.com. Links will be in the description below. And we're going to season to taste. I like to give a little bit of kick. So I'm going to add a nice, 3-second shake. Now we're going to take our handle for the pistole and we're going to mash. Make sure we get the juices out of the onions and the tomatoes to get everything mixed together very well.
And there you go. Now we're just going to add a sprinkle of salt, and we're going to set it in the fridge until our tacos are done. Just kidding, y'all. Forgot another important thing. Juice from half of the lemon. So I have already busted the pulp in here. I'm going to go ahead and
add the juice from this lime. Oh yeah. You don't need a lot, just enough lime juice to help bring out everything. Counteract some of the good flavors. Mix that in there real good. Now we're ready to set this in the fridge, and we'll come back to it when our tacos are done. Okay, so over here I have the charcoals all set up, ready to go. Get our grates on here so we can clean them off and get our chicken ready to cook. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close the grill, let it heat up real good, cook all this off, I'll scrape it off, and then we're ready. Alright, grill is hot and ready to clean. I'm gonna run my scraper over. I like this scraper a lot because I can get in here in between these grates and make sure that it's really clean every single time I use it. Alright, and she's ready to grill. So now it's time to go ahead and add our chicken to the grill. So normally I do the pretty side down, which would be, the side that the skin came off of, but I still got to season these on the grill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ugly side down. That way I can season the pretty sides. There we go. Now we're going to take the Gordo Vaquero's original desert mix. Ooh, yes baby. We're going to season these up nice. Good. We're going to go very heavy on the seasoning because you can never have too much of this stuff. The spicy one occasionally you can have too much of because that shit gets spicy, but this one's not spicy, so you can never have too much of it. Alright, so before I turn this, now that they've got a decent sear, I'm going to flip them over so I can season this other side real quick. while it's still semi-raw. A little bit, and I'm going to close this bad boy. And then we're going to let convection do some work now. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and pull these bad boys off the grill now. Ooh, look at that juicy juice oozing out. Oh shit. Yeah, you can see that boy's done.
That's how you know when it's good, when it fall apart.
That's how you know I've been grilling for a long time.
Those peppers.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and rotate that a little bit. Keep this on the hot spot, use some of that char, give some extra flavor on there, you know. Or let these sit for another 2 minutes. I might rotate them again. And I'm gonna go let this chicken rest so we can slice it up for the tacos. So after you let your chicken rest for about 5 minutes, you're going to go ahead and slice it up. You don't want to slice up all your chicken though. You only want to slice up enough meat for however many tacos you're about to serve. That way your meat stays juicy and doesn't turn your mouth into a desert. Tortillas, we're gonna toast those 3 at a time, and we're gonna get those bad boys ready for our tacos. Caliente, caliente, caliente. Caliente. So I'm gonna start out, hit my tortilla with a little sour cream. I'll do 3. And now I'm gonna add about 3 pieces of chicken per taco because we don't want to build them up too big. We do have a lot of flavor going on these. I want to get all that flavor in there, every bite. All right, we're gonna add some taco slaw. Now in most cases, I put the taco slaw down before the meat, but today I had a brain fart, so this is what we get. Splash of red onion. A little bit of jalapeno on 2 of them, not all 3. And then a nice little heap of guacamole on top. And then we'll fold these bad boys together. And then cilantro over the top. And don't forget, toppings are all a matter of preference. I've still got these roasted jalapenos I could have used. We've got cheese, there's sour cream, cilantro, onion, jalapeno, guacamole, taco slaw. You can use whatever you want for tacos. And there you have it. Tequila lime chicken tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. And if your tacos aren't messy, you're not doing them right. Y'all fucking gringos.